Hi guys. Sorry it's been a little long. I was actually just trying to get everything ready. So as promised, I know it took a while, but as promised, I'm gonna do a house tour for you guys. I really don't know how how to do it, but it is what it is. Actually, first of all, before I do it, I want to tell everybody that I did apply for the Air Force. I'm just trying to get in there. I passed my practice test, my practice ASVAB, and now I'm just waiting on the word to go to MEPS, which is, I can't remember the abbreviation of it, but it's like medical and also the actual ASVAB. And then hopefully I pass that because I actually do want to get into the military. And Air Force would actually be pretty good. And thank you all for this, all the subscribers for being here. Please show everybody else, get them to subscribe to me. I need more subscribers, please. So without further ado, here goes the house tour. Let's see. Oh no, I can't do that. This is my kitchen. Excuse the mess, or excuse the dishes. I still need to do dishes. It's actually pretty awesome in here. Of course, countertop, kitchen, my fridge. My living room, my Switch, my Xbox, my PS4, like a lot of my movies. I do bowl, so that's why that's there. I love anime, so that's there. That's those. My couch. My mom actually gave me this one and this one. Actually, bought me these. My little Oculus right there. I got this at the fair. It's actually Ron's mom's wand. Which I'm actually keeping here. Let's see. My tools, my shoes, closet, all my jackets and sweaters and stuff. Everything has a place, so don't worry. Games, my tools, cleaning stuff, of course, vacuum, broom and Swiffer. I got a big space right here. Here's my bookcase. I got Associate of the Month for Home Depot, which I actually like. My anime merch, all my books, my 3 little alien things. And then stairs. Wait. Yeah. I'm just gonna show you guys the view. watch it all day or every day. Downstairs, front door. Game room. My game room. And my posters. I actually just bought this desk. I bought this desk on a couple days ago, and I put it together, and it is actually looking good. My little old desk, my little or my little prayer candle, not Christian candle, it's pagan. It's my pagan candle. Closet. All my hats, my little monkeys. Hats. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. I'll buy you a room. Wow. My room. Close it. So yeah. That's all that's everything. Hopefully I actually find out how to hopefully soon I found out how to like or I'll probably figure out how to like I'll probably god damn brain fart. I will try to like post more when I can. I'll probably I don't know. I'll try to post more. Also I am gonna try to build my own PC, like actually build my own gaming PC, because the PC that I have now I actually bought secondhand. So all I really need to do is get all I really need to do is pretty much build my own, start like slowly getting more and more. Also I need to get like a few more furniture and stuff, but hey, I live alone now. I'm single, so it is what it is. And well, thank you for coming. Again, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like. Comment what you think of my place. What you like. What you want me to do. Want to see me do. And please share with your family, friends, everybody, and have them like, because I need more subscribers, please. I'm gonna try to figure out like different ways to actually record different like pretty much do like different kind of videos. So thank you very much, and bye bye.